Today we're going to be reviewing a skeleton watch for men. Here's what comes in the box. As I'm going to tell you, this is a beautiful watch. If you can see it, this watch is beautiful. Comes with, tells you how to adjust the bracelet and how to wind it when you get it. And the user manual tells you everything you need to know about the watch, how to change the time, how to change the date, the month. Comes in a beautiful case. Look at this case. It's very well made. It's kind of leathery. It looks really nice. It's for not being a super expensive watch. It comes in very nice detailed box and it feels very good. It has a tool to adjust your bracelet. It brings it, and here's the watch. Show it here so you can see it. Skeleton, so you can see everything inside of it. No batteries. You just wind it 30 to 40 times before you start wearing it, and it'll go. Look, it's going. I did it before the video so you can see it. This watch is beautiful. You won't need to buy batteries or anything. It works with your pulse. You can't tell me that a watch like this looks better than a watch like that. Here you can see the craftsmanship. Here you can't see anything. It's just digital. When you're an older guy like me, you really are taken by a watch that you can see work. And it's amazing. The back is transparent too. You can see it in the back. Let me see if I can open here. Let's see if you can see it here. Probably can't see it, but it's see-through in the back too. So you can see it working from the back. 30-meter water resistant. So you can get in the water up to 30 meters and it will resist. It's too big for me, but I'm still gonna put it on so you can see it. It's black. This one is black. It comes in different colors. But it's a very expensive luxury looking watch, even though it won't break the bank. It's priced amazingly. It's very well made. It feels good. It's not cheaply made. It's heavy. It's pretty heavy. So if you're looking for a watch that it will get you a whole bunch of compliments, that people will be mistakenly for bigger brands, and you won't break the bank. Here's your watch. Has a great warranty too. Different colors, and it works with your movement. So as long as you have it on, you won't have to wind it up to have it work. So you put it on. The first time you get it, twist the dial 40 times, and it will go. And then as long as you wear it every day, you won't have to twist it anymore, because it will, with the your motion, it will keep the watch going. I definitely recommend it. Beautiful watch. So I hope this video helped, and thank you.